How to use Revolut points for flights. So basically guys, you will need to go here to the Rev points tab. For the moment I don't have any Rev points available, but for sure if you are spending a lot you will have some right here. So you will need to go to the miles tab, and as you can see right here there are a lot of airlines that you can choose from it. So let's say that, I don't know, I want to use my Rev points with Air France. I will click on it, and as you can see right here, one Revolut points equal 1 mile, as you can see right here. You will just need to click on continue, and here you will need to add your Air France membership number. After that you will just need to click on continue, and basically you will transfer these Revolut points to your Air France account, so you can book flights from your Air France app after that. So that's it. I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.